Hi guys, I have another. I'm gonna show my avatar because I'm done with I don't design it. So this is my swimming, and this is my baggy, other one, and this is my Brazil, and this is my baggy dress. And this is my pajamas. And this is my school. And this is my McDo. This is my cute baggy. And then this is my skirt. Then this is my teacher. And this is my this is my new one, the shorts. And this is the floor, Flora. So this is black, and this is my zombie. And this is my Snow White. My gosh, these people are super. I don't want to join the family, oh my gosh. So this is my Snow White. And this is my mermaid. You know it, the swim, because in my other video, I showed the Brookhaven outfits, and then that's it. And this is my roller skates. And this is my swimsuit. And this is my two pajama. And this is my when I want to be a mommy. This is my fit, but I don't want it. So this is my pee. So this is my rich. So that's all. Because I'm gonna get rid of the. See you guys. It's Friday, guys. Now. Then sorry for I'm not posting on Tuesdays. I mean Thursday because I cannot use my iPad, but only Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But I can use my phone. Oh my gosh, this car is so annoying. I noticed. Oh, we're gonna get used. Oh, first we're gonna get the Raptor cars.
Pero para sa akin guys, mas gusto ko yung ganito na hindi naka-combi brake.
Because I'm the richest here.
Team Noto combi brake. Mas gusto ko yung ganito.
Okay, let's go to the Dagat.
Sa front sa front, hindi sa rear. So dito naman sa front brake natin guys, wala tayong ABS Walang ABS, pero kung malalagyan ng ABS to, most probably mamaan na yung motor. So, siyempre, hindi mo pwede makuha lahat yung sobrang mura, tapos lahat.
So let's go get our
Natin
mermaid.
ang compartment. Maraming nag-complain din dito. Kasi medyo maliit ang compartment. Compact, ayan.
Whoa!
Maliit talaga siya.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I'm gonna go.
Kasyang-kasya yun dyan. Lalo-lalo na pagka naka-set up yung motor, no? Tapos nutshell yung helmet.
So cute. Oh my
Diba?
god.
Binabagay nila yung mga naka-set up yung motor, tapos
So
nutshell
cute.
helmet. Kasya.
So we're gonna end the video here. Bye guys!